14 Physics Class 11. Question 1. In radio and television broadcast, the information signal is the form of answer both analog and digital signals. Question 2. A communication channel consists of answer all of them. Question 3. Voltage signals generated by a microphone is answer analog in nature. Question 4. As compared to sound waves, frequency of radio waves is answer may be higher or lower. Question 5. The process of superimposing signal frequency on the carrier wave is known as answer modulations. Question 6. What is the frequency range of signals that can be transmitted in cases of twisted pair of voices? Answer 5 MHz to 10 MHz. Question 7. The maintenance of a stateless orbit position is called answer maintenance keeping. Question 8. Process of mapping the simplified analog voltage values to discrete voltage level is called answer quantization. Question 9. Aim used for broadcasting because answer it requires less transmitting power compared with other systems. Question 10. Data in compact disk is stored in the form of answer digital signals. Question 11. What is the main purpose of a communication system? Answer the transmission information from one place to another. Question 12. What is the frequency range of audible sounds? Answer 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Question 13. What is the modulation? Answer mixing the signals with a carrier waves. Question 14. Which of the following is a type of analog modulation? Answer amplified modulations. Question 15. The process of removing noise from a signal is called answer filtering. Question 16. Which part of communication system radiates the transmit signals? Answer antenna. Question 17. What type of modulation is used in FM radio broadcasting? Answer frequency modulations. Question 18. Which medium has the fastest signal transmission speed? Answer fiber optics. Question 19. The bandwidth of signal refers to answer range of frequencies the signal occupies. Question 20. The term attention in communication refer to answer level of signal strength. Question 21. What is the key advantage of digital communication over analog communication? Answer higher noise immunity. Question 22. Which device converts digital data to analog signals for transmission? Answer modem. Question 23. What does AM stands for in communication? Answer amplified modulation. Question 24. The purpose of a repeater in communication system is to answer boost signal strength. Question 25. Which wave type is used for long distance communications? Answer sky waves. Question 26. What is the range of microwave frequencies? Answer 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Question 27. The number of symbols transmitted per second is called answer baud rate. Question 28. The noise generated within the communication system is called answer internal noise. Question 29. What is the full form of CDMA? Answer: code division multiplexing cases. Question 30. Which type of multiplexing is used in fiber optic communication? Answer: wavelength division multiplexing.